Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch LED TV that comes to me for repair. Here in this TV, the fault is with this LED backlight. Here you can see one of the LED backlight is not working. Here each individual LED is of 3 volt. So since this same model LED strip is not available in the market, so here we going to replace the entire LED strip with this alternate one. See friends, the number of LEDs are same in this alternate LED strip and the LED voltage is also correct. The only difference is in the socket. So here we need to solder the wires. See friends, the new LED strip is working properly. So while repairing with backlight related fault, we should always try to replace the entire backlights with new one to avoid future repetition in backlight related complaints. Here we using the square dome LED strip. So instead of these sockets, we need to solder it directly. See friends, now we soldered the connection. You can see and fixed the alternate LED strip. Now let us release the TV from the standby. You can see now the new backlights are working properly. See friends, you can see the reflector sheets are also fitted properly with this alternate LED strip. So now we can put the diffuser sheet back to TV